Excuse me, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry. Sorry is a very common word to ask for an apology when we make any mistake. But today we are gonna learn 10 different ways to say sorry to someone without even saying sorry. Number 1. I sincerely apologize. Number 2. Please pardon me. Number 3. Oops, my bad. Number 4. Please forgive me. I owe you an apology. Number 6. Ever so sorry. Number 7. Excuse me. Number 8. It's all my fault. Number 9. I had that all wrong. Number 10. It will not happen again. Can you add something more? Let me know in the comment section. To get this type of tips and tricks in English, please follow with us, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.